Guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a total race game. So this is going to be the final outcome, if you can see over here. So there are going to be like 4 turtles and all of them are going to be randomly going around, and the person who will win, as you can see, the black turtle has actually won this race. So it's a pretty standard turtle game. We are going to be using the turtle module of Python. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's start by importing the turtle module. So import the turtle module, and now actually we also have to import the time module. Now actually what you have to do is type out from turtle import turtle with a capital D. Now you won't exactly understand why we are importing all of this, but you will understand in the future tutorials. And also I'm going to be using Adam for all of this. So from random import randint, so it will help us to generate the random integers values for all of our totals. So it's a pretty important module. It's a pretty important module in this game because we're gonna give random stats to all of the totals. So over here, let's just create a comment of creating the main window and just do the standard turtle stuff. So type out window equals to turtle.Screen, and if you have seen, follow along with my turtle tutorials, this is gonna be pretty standard for you guys. So window.title. Actually, why am I typing window.title as turtle race game tutorial, and let's just give it a window.bgcolor of forestgreen. Now I have just played around with these colors, and notice that you don't have to use any hexadecimal code for this. So this actually is a valid color. Let me just see if I spell that correctly. Actually not. Forest green. And let's just give it a, actually why am I typing window, over here let's just do, now actually let's just give it a total color. So just about, now you won't understand what am I doing over here, but it's just you have to do this. So I don't know how I explain you this. So this is not a very beginner friendly turtle tutorial, because you're going to be using a lot of stuff of the turtle module that you won't be actually be familiar with as for before, but like don't worry. And just over here we are going to be finishing with our screen. So turtle.setpos, and let's just give it a set pos of like 40 and 200, and let's just say turtle.write. So this is just basically, it will just write stuff to this turtle race, pretty standard. And let's just give it a font of something like, I would say Arial, and let's just give it a size of something like 30, and let's just give it a font with a bold. And actually let's just do one last thing of turtle.penup, because we don't want it to be drawing those lines all the time. We do a lot of other stuff because that can be pretty bad and does not look really good. So we are not going to be drawing the lines, and also because it's not the aim of our game. So let's do the one last thing of window.main loop, and actually let's just run the, and we can see the total race thing popping up and all of that. So it looks pretty good and pretty decent by now. So actually let's continue. So actually I'm just going to be not leaving any line away. And let's just give a comment of making the dirt, because as you could see in the finished result we have that round rectangle thing over there. So this is pretty advanced, because I myself am copying from my other screen, because it's a pretty advanced thing. We have to create like a rectangle that's perfectly of that dimensions. So you could do it in some other way, but we are gonna be not doing it in the most efficient way, but that's how we're gonna do it. So just deal with it. So we are just gonna be using some attributes called begin fail and one of those attributes. So if you really know a lot of the turtle modules, you would be familiar with these attributes. And let's just do turtle.forward. Now basically what this will do is move the turtle ahead by 800 pixels, and then we will tilt the turtle by some 90 degrees, because we wanna again make it to the. Now I'm just gonna be copy pasting some of the things over here. Now what you have to do is just you have to take the forward and right thing and just take this, hit copy, paste it right here, and actually paste it right here. I'm sorry, just change this to 300, and this should be 800, and let's just copy paste it one last time and just make this 300. And I think if we run the program, we should have the dirt. I don't know why is this taking so long. Surely it is not that. And like we just have one line of dirt. Let me see. We did that. Begin present pendown, right? Okay, I just forgot something. All I had to do is just have a turtle.end fill, because what it does just begin to fill the thing, and if we do not give it this attribute, then it will not end it. So it's pretty important for what happened. The module last actually end. Oh, I just forgot that. So I have to put an underscore here. Let's just have 5 and there we go. We have a brown chocolate color tone. So that's pretty good till now. Now actually let's just create the finish line. So let's just have a finish line. And let's just make some variables of the finish line. So start ready. So this is gonna be the size of the square of the finish line. And the finish line. Yeah. Now this is gonna be like go to the finish line, basically. So now actually let's just make the finish line to the color. Now this is gonna be a little bit complicated, because you're gonna be using for loops to determine the black and white of the the finish line, because it's gonna be like a black and white finish line. As you can see, the finish result. So square and size, and now this is gonna be a little complicated. So you're gonna be making the square size, and you're gonna be dividing it by the stamp size. And the last thing but important, penup, like think now actually let's just move to the for loop. So basically what the for loop will do is that it will take all the coordinates of the black boxes and then the white boxes. It's gonna be like a for randint and a for j. If you don't know about for loops, then what it says that you first look for in range. Let's give it a value of like 10 and let's just do something like turtle.setpos and finish underscore line. Now this is a little bit complicated because it's something you really do. This involves a little bit of math. I've already done this, so I'm just gonna be doing that again. Yeah, and just do the last turtle.stamp to actually show them. Actually, let me just hit that F5. See if it's okay. And there is. You can see that we have the black squares. Obviously, it's still not perfect and all, but still we have something. Actually, now let's just go with the J, and then we will have all the other stuff. So let's create another folder for J in range. Now this is gonna be like pretty standard, like similar to the car ones. I'm just gonna be copy pasting this because we don't wanna, I thought of that again. So let's just copy paste this. Be a little bit more efficient. And the only thing we have to do here is just do finish line plus square underscore size, and what else do we have to change? Actually, yeah, quite a bit over here. We have to change some stuff over here. So I'm just gonna be getting rid of this part. And let's just start. So this is 150 minus the square underscore size, and then minus another pair of brackets over here, and let's just do j multiplied by the square underscore size and multiplied by 2. We might be a little bit too confused about what am I doing over here, but basically we're just approximating our the entire finish line. So I want to not, I just I total, and now if we just hit F5, then you can see kind of not working thing. It looks pretty good. Now actually I just make the totals because that's something important. Just a second, I'm back. So I'm back, and I just have changed one thing. Only in the dot I just deleted one of that 800 because it was coming under it about. So now you can see that the finish line is actually looking good. So now actually let's just work out way up to the totals because that's something important. That's the main part of the game. So let's just make a comment making the post. Let's just refer to it as a player. Obviously we're going to be making the variable as a total1 obviously. And let's just create like total1 equals to. Now here's the thing. What at the top I told you that we are importing total from turtle. So that's why we do not use that total thing, and we can just make total. That's not a big of a cheat or a short way, but still it's pretty good. And let's just set our speed of 0, it's the animation speed, and let's just do Now I'm just gonna be giving it any colors whatever I like. Just feel free to play around with these colors. Obviously, color. Let's just get a color of black and turtle one dot shape. Now, as you know, a turtle module has a built-in shape of a turtle, so you can use that. That's why you can see in the finished result. We actually did not have to, get a actually, we did not have to import any images. Where is turtle? Okay, actually, it has to be turtle one.penup and just do the basic things. Turtle one dot go to. This is very good value of like something like minus 250 by 100 and one dot how's that pendown. That's pendown. Now you might be saying, why are we doing the pendown? This is because, as you could see in the finished result, it was actually like drawing a line wherever it was going. So it's pretty important that we do this. I'm just going to be copy pasting this for the rest of the three totals because we want to be a little bit more efficient. Copy pasting over here. Instead of first, let's just name it as second. Just minor modifications. Make this two, make this two, make this two, make this two, and make this two. And let's just change this to something like, say, 50 because this is going to be a little bit weird, so that's why. Copy paste it over here and just name this something like turtle, and let's just do the same thing. Actually, let's just make this guy like red, if I can spell that correctly, red. And let's just make this guy 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. And instead of 100, let's just give it a value of like minus 50. And this thing, these both are really far from each other, but it's okay. And instead of red, let's just give it a color of like yellow. And the final tone, it's gonna be magenta. And let's just name this as fourth turtle. What am I doing? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And let's just place this guy to minus. And actually, let's just place this guy at 0. I was a little bit confused. I was placing it at minus 50. And then just got at minus 50. And let's just make this magenta. Let's just hit F5. See if it's working, and there we go. You can see that we have all of our totals right there. They look pretty good actually. Now actually, let's just get in the random movements and then we will be done. So it's not something really difficult. Now what we are going to be doing is we're going to be just making use of the time module that we imported at the top, as you can see. This is because we're going to just leave the game for just a second, because we don't want to start the game instantly, which you will notice at the last of the game why it is important. So let's just say pause the game for a second, and let's just do a basic, I would say, a thing that will randomly give total the stats of the speed and the all the other things. So 145, and actually turtle one, turtle one dot forward, and now what we do is just use the randint module that we used for the top as an import, and we are going to be doing the random speeds of either 1 to 5. And let's just copy this, paste it right here, paste it right here, and paste it right here, and just change this guy to like 2 to what am I doing? 4 and 3. Actually, let's just do F5. And there we go, we have our totals. In a second, they will start the race. And as you can see, they are really fast. And let's just say, 1. Okay. Like it's like a tie. So there's like an easily customizable code. Like you can easily just customize this entire code. You can make a little, I would say, reset thing over there where you can just execute all of this again. So all the turtles will reset. That's why I coded this in this way. So you can actually just customize it however you want. Because over here you can just also add a method by which it will store, which total one in a text file in the same directory, because that's pretty cool. And or you can just reset the entire thing. It's pretty simple to implement, and it's also very cool. And if you do not just made any mistake, just check out this entire code again. It's not something very difficult. You will do it. You will be able to. And also, if you still make any mistake, I will try and include this on the link in the description, and you can just copy paste the entire code from there. So if it's not working for you, at least you can copy paste my code. And I'm using this in Python 3.8, so just check that out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please check like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next time we meet, bye bye.